Looking to turn your content into high-quality B2B leads? Fast? Imagine reaching your ideal buyers with precision and scale. In the next minute, you'll discover how Acceligize helps you generate qualified leads that actually move the needle for your business. Content syndication leads. Got white papers, webinars, or case studies? Acceligize promotes your assets across our trusted publishing network, including Business Info Pro, Info Pro Weekly, iTech Info Pro, Market Info Pro, CFO Info Pro, and HR Info Pro. Through display ads, email, and targeted content platforms, marketing qualified leads. From webinars to trial signups and event registrations, Acceligize qualifies every lead using your custom ICP criteria. Sales qualified leads. Need leads who are ready to talk business? Acceligize delivers sales-ready contacts, backed by real purchase intent signals and verified decision-maker data. Customized programs. Whether you need database cleaning, technographic targeting, CPA or CPM models, Acceligize builds campaigns around your KPIs. For services, 6 publications, 1 focus, delivering real opportunities. If you're ready to scale pipeline with precision and proven results, connect with Acceligize today.